First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So before watching all the RRB JE topic wise video, you have to first understand these three important things. So first, the RRB JE CBT1 exam level. So usually when we take all the previous year memory based question paper of RRB JE exam, so the aptitude reasoning question level, it's medium level. So do not waste your time on keep on solving very hard level question. So try to practice more and more number of question, easy level, very easy level and medium level more. So if you keep on practicing questions more on medium and little bit medium high level, definitely you can able to clear CBT1 aptitude and reasoning questions. And second, importantly, in my every video that I'm going to post for RRB JE, I will be teaching 20 questions each and every topic on quantitative aptitude as well as reasoning. After teaching 20 questions, I will be giving 30 questions as a test. So the 20 question what I'm going to teach now will be exactly at the medium level concept, right? So that medium level questions I'm going to teach for this RRB JE, especially for RRB JE. And after teaching 20 question, I will be giving you 30 question as a test with all different kinds of model. Again, the 30 question will also be in the exam point of view like medium level question. So after watching 20 question on this video, do not forget to take the 30 question test. And the third important, so students, those who already bought the railway exam test, inside it at the last tab you can able to see a new column called RRB JE. So once you click on it, after posting every video, there you can able to see 30 question test on each and every topic on quantitative aptitude. So if you didn't buy it, if you want to buy it, so just visit feelfreetolearn.com. Inside a test series, you can able to see RRB railway exam, which is 99 rupees. Or if you have an Android mobile, so go to Google Play Store and search for Feel Free to Learn. So once you download the app, open it, inside that you can able to see railway exam. So click on it and purchase the test and start practicing all the question which is inside RRB JE. So after posting every video topic, your test will be added there. So now let me move on to all the RRB JE quantitative aptitude topics. So friends, now let me move on to the next topic for RRB JE exam, that is compound interest on quantitative aptitude. So previous video we have solved some of the question on the topic simple interest, as well as I have told you to write the test. I hope you have taken the test. So kindly, similarly after watching this video compound interest, do not forget to take 20 question test on RRB test package, right? So now entering into the topic compound interest, so where all the concepts will be similar what we learnt in the simple interest: principal, overall amount, rate of interest, so time duration, most of the stuff are same, but only there is a difference on finding the interest, simple and compound. So if you already learned the compound interest, kindly watch this video, or else kindly go to my YouTube channel, check the playlist. I think I have posted 7 or 8 videos in the topic compound interest starting from lesson number 1. So do not forget to watch all the compound interest video and then come and watch this video. So definitely it will be useful. Why? Because here we will be solving only the question which was already asked in RRB JE exam model. So only I am saying first learn the basics, understand the compound interest basics, and then come and watch this video, right? So if you take compound interest, even while teaching compound interest topic itself, I have told this. If you see a compound interest question on your exam, so attend that compound interest question at the last. For example, if you have 20 minutes time, right? In the 20 minutes, try to attend all the other topics other than this compound interest. At last, if you have 1 or 2 minutes of time, at that duration you can go with the compound interest. Why? Because simple interest is very easy, but when you compare with compound interest, where the compound interest calculation part will be more. Compound interest is also easy because we have a formulas like compound interest CI formula and overall amount formula, right? And then if you take installment concepts, there is another 1 or 2 formula that we have addition when compared to simple interest. But other than that, compound interest does not have any huge concepts or nothing like that. But only problem in the compound interest, it has more calculative part. That is the only problem. It might take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes to solve
solve a single question. So that's the reason I am saying instead of wasting 2 minutes on one question, better you can solve other questions like algebra, problems on ages, time and work, and if you have extra time in your exam, then you can solve the compound interest question, right? So, and if you feel easy, if you are strong in multiplication and division, you can directly go with it. But if you are like a beginner or an intermediate student where you struggle to divide a number, then my suggestion would be like solving this compound interest at the last in your exam will be definitely helpful on the time management, right? So friends, getting into the concept of compound interest, so everyone knows the compound interest formula as well as overall amount formula. So P into 1 plus R by 100 power n, which will be the overall formula. Most of the question, instead of finding the compound interest formula, we use the overall formula. After finding the answer, we subtract with the principal. Resultant will be the compound interest, right? Because compared to compound interest formula, overall formula will be little bit easy. So when you take the previous year question papers of a railway exam, JEE or NTPC Group D, some of the concepts which was repeatedly asked in your exams. First is the half-yearly and quarterly, half-yearly concept, quarterly concept. Instead of finding an interest for a year, they will find an interest for half-yearly, 6 months, 6 months, or else 3 months, 3 months. So this is called as quarterly, and it is called as half-yearly. So these two concepts are more and more important in the topic compound interest. I have posted separate video of it. And then when you take a compound interest, other than this all concept, there is one very most important concept are there, which is called as population increase or population decrease. So most important concept where you can able to see this question on many of the competitive exams, railway, staff selection, so medium level competitive exams on CBT1, definitely you can able to see this concept question, because the same formula what we learnt in the compound interest we use in this population increase. Example, let's say in 2000, right? So the total India population is 1 crore. Example, I am saying, right? In 2000, the population of children population of India is 1 crore. In 2024, right? So what will be the population in case every year the population was increased by 4%, right? So in 2000, the population of the children were 1 crore, and every year 4% increase in the population. So our target is to find at 2024 what will be the population. So these kind of question, we usually have only two formula. One formula is same formula, right? So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. In case from 2000, if we need to find what is the population after, right, after 2000, then we use this formula. For example, in 2024, the population is 1 crore, right? Then what will be the population in 2000, right? If they ask like this from reverse order, right? In 2024 they have given a population, we have to find what would be the population at 2000. So in those cases, a same formula but divide this, P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. That is the only difference in the formula change, right? See, when you multiply it 2000 to 2024, you have to multiply. If it is 2024 to 2000, they are going back, right? In those cases, divide principle, that is the only difference here. In case if the population getting increased, then write plus, right? If the population is getting decreased, for every year the population is getting decreased by 2%. In those cases, you have to substitute here minus 4%, minus 2%. Why? Because decrease in population. If it is decrease, minus. If it is increase, plus. I think I have posted separate video on it, how to solve a question that is based on population increase and population decrease. I think so it is in the compound interest playlist, or else check the percentage topic playlist, you can able to find it, right? So other than that, most of the students would solve this question by a normal traditional method. 2001, 4%, what is the population? And then 2021, previous year, 4%, 2021 population, your wish, right? It is completely upon your wish. If you have speed on multiplication, if you have speed on finding the percentage, you can go and solve with any methods. Not only the same formula method, you can use whatever methods that you prefer. But the only thing is, try to solve a question within 1 minute. Only then you can able to crack nowadays the recent competitive exams, right? So that's the reason I'm saying right? So other than that, when you take a compound interest, there is no huge concepts, but there are some important steps that you need to remember. So if compound interest to 1 plus compound interest 2 is equals to some value, compound interest to 1 difference compound interest 2 equal to some value. I think I have taught in the previous video also. Simple interest 1 plus simple interest 2, simple interest 1 difference simple interest 2, where you have to write that equation. So that is most important. And then other than these two formula, in compound interest we have extra two formula which is based on both simple and compound interest question. If it is based on simple interest as well as a compound interest question, there is a separate formula. So only two formula that you need to learn. Other than this, I think we don't have any other formulas here. Even when you take installment based question, that is also the same formula. This formula we use in the installment question, right? So that's it. Just we have had a small revision about the topic compound interest. So now getting into all the question that was asked in the railway exam. Again, I'm saying do not forget to watch all the lessons what I posted on the compound interest first, right? So it's available on the channel. Try to watch all the videos and then come and watch this video. After watching this video, do not forget to take 20 question test on a medium level on this railway exam, right? We didn't give you any hard level question, just a medium level question in order to practice more, right? So that's the reason we have given 20 question on the test. So now let me move on to all the question that is based on a compound interest. So here is the first question. In how many years will rupees 2000 amounts to 2420 at 10% on a compound interest, right? So just see here, in how many years, that means our target is to find in how many years the time duration. And what are all the values they have given? Rupees 2000 amounts to rupees 2420. So that means if you find the word amounts to, so in the basic itself I have told you, right? So amounts to, amount becomes. So you should be very careful when an amount becomes, that means the overall amount. So what they have given is 2000, the amount is 2000, that becomes 2420. So that means this will be the principal amount and this will be the overall amount. So in how many years we have to find this principal amount becomes 2420 at what rate of interest? So rate of interest they have given, which is 10%. So 10% is the rate of interest. Our target is to find the time duration. So basically I have told you, right, we in rare cases we will use the compound interest formula. Other than that, majorly we always use the overall formula. So P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. Why? Because in compound interest we have minus 1 year, so we have little bit of calculation there. So better we can use, in most of the cases we always use a overall formula, right? So overall value what they have given us 2420 is equals to principal is how much? 2000. So 1 plus rate of interest, so 10 divided by 100 power n. So now we can cancel 0 and 0 here. So 242 is equals to 200, and here we can cancel 0, 0. So 10 into 1 will be 10, 10 plus 1 will be 11. So 11 divided by 10 power n. And I have seen beginners, usually they make a mistake. They used to cancel 0 and 0 here. Don't do it. Why? Because here we have power of something, 10 power something. So you can't just like that cancel these two numbers. So we have to bring this number towards left hand side. So 242 divided by 200 is equals to 11 by 10 power n. And then we can cancel it 121. So 100. So now you can see 121 divided by 100 is equals to 11 divided by 10 power n. So it is easy to say the answer, because 11 square, if n is equal to 2, right? If n is equal to 2, 11 square 121. 10 square 100. So we can say that the value of n, which will be 2. Mostly you will find which is related to this, for example, perfect number. Sometimes if you see 1331, which will be 11 cube, right? Most probably you will get an exact answer here. So now according to this question, the number of years will be 2. In 2 years, this amount will becomes this much of amount, total amount, in the rate of 10% per annum compound years, right? So this is the way you have to find the answer. So the most problem in this compound interest is finding the exact value. For example, here some questions are getting easy, right? We can just like that cancel it. But in some cases where the answer will be in the point of decimal something, 0.322, 0.344. So at that case, the compound interest question will be difficult, right? So now answer for the first question where n is equals to 2 years. Next question. a sum becomes rupees 1352 in 2 years at 4% per annum compound interest, find the sum. So when just see here, look at the first word, a sum becomes. A sum becomes, that means some amount, that amount is unknown, so the principal amount is unknown, so that amount becomes 1352. So that means the principal amount on the question which was not given, and what they have given is the overall amount, because we have seen the word becomes, right? So becomes means the overall amount. So overall amount is how much? 1352. So 1352 is the overall amount and the principal what we need to find in the question. And other than that, they have given the rate of interest 4%. So R value has been given. Time duration is also given. Time duration is 2 years. So based upon it, our target is to find what is the principal, right? So now always we can use that formula, overall formula A. So A equal to principal 1 plus R by 100 power n. So now, what about the value of A? 1352. So 1352 is equals to principal plus 1 plus 4 divided by 100 power n. So now we can cancel it. So 1352 is equals to principal. So principal value what we need to find here. So we can cancel it on 2 table. 2. This will be, or we can directly cancel it on 4 table. 1 4s are 4. This will be 25. So 26 divided by 25. So n, number of years is 2. So square. So this can be written as 1352 into 25 divided by 26 into 25 divided by 26 is equals to 2. Equal to P, right? So this is the area I was telling you from the starting of the video, right? And you can easily solve all this area, right? Within 15 seconds or 10 seconds, you can directly write this value, no problem, right? But only problem here is this area. Every time, right? Every time this area will not, it's like 50-50 chances. Some cases we can able to cancel these two with the numbers, and in some cases we can't. At that time we have to multiply all the 3 number and we have to divide it. So that is the thing I'm saying, it takes more number of time to solve a compound interest question, but it's only 50-50 chances. Sometimes it might cancel, we can easily get cancel the numbers. Let's cancel it. I can cancel it on 2 table first. So 13 2s are 26, cancel it on 2 table. 6 2s are 12, remaining will be 115. 7 2s are 14, remaining will be 1. 6 2s are 12. Again we can cancel it on 2 table. 13, cancel it on 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1, 8 2s are 16. So now check whether we can cancel it on 13 table. 13 2s are 26. So 26 78, right? So 6 3s are 18. So this will be 6 times. Again 1 13s are 13, 13 2s are 26. Just see, all the denominator is getting cancelled. So now it is easy because we have just a multiplication part here. So 25 into 25 into 2 is equals to principal. So 25 into 2 will be 50. So 50 into 25 is equals to principal. So principal is equals to 5 5s are 25. Remaining will be 2, 10, 12, 1, 2, 5, 0. So now we can say that answer for this question where the principal is 1250. It's 50-50 chance, right? In some cases we can cancel the denominator value with the numerator, and if we are getting a denominator value as 1, then it is easy because just we are going to multiply only the numerator value. It won't take that much of time to solve a question. Or better, I can solve one question and show you in case if the denominator value we can't able to cancel it. Just see how difficult it is, right? So now answer for the second question is 1250 is the principal value. Next question. So what would be the compound interest occurred on an amount of rupees 8,400 at 12.5% per annum at the end of 3 years? So here our target is to find what is the compound interest, right? But what are all the values they have given us on an amount of rupees 8,400. So they have given amount means the principal amount. So principal amount has been given. Time duration they have given in years, as well as rate of interest is also they have given in years. PCPA, which means percentage per annum. So all the values are directly given. Our target is to find what is the compound interest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the A. Always, just now I have told, always I use A formula because it seems little bit easy when compared to the compound interest formula. So after finding the overall amount, what I do is I subtract with the principal 8,400 so that we can find what is the compound interest value. So now So what is the A value that we need to find here? Principal amount, whether they have given in a question. Yes, they have given amount of rupees 8,400. So 8,400 is the principal value plus R. So our rate of interest is 12.5. That can be written as 25 by 2 into 100. For how many years? For 3 years. The value of n is equals to, you can write 12.5, it's your wish. I'm writing 12.5 as 25 by 2 for the easy calculation. So 125, 4 times, so 4 into 2 will be 8. So A is equals to 8400, 8 into 1 will be 9. So 9 divided by 8 power 3. So is equals to 8400 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. Now, right, so everyone can solve up to this within 15 seconds, but this is the area again. We can't able to guess it, but in case if we are solving it in an exam, make sure that to solve the question little bit faster, right? So now when you cancel this number, right, so we can cancel 1 8s are 8, right? So 0, 8 5s are 40, 0. Again check whether we can cancel this number or we can cancel this on 2 table, 4 2s are 8, cancel this on 2 table, 5 2s are 10, so remaining will be 0, 2 2s are 4, remaining will be 1, 5 2s are 10. That's it. So now we can't able to cancel any numbers further, right? We can't able to cancel it on 4 table or 8 table is not possible. So the numerator number are 5 to 5 into 9 into 9 into 9. So divided by 32. So we know that 9 cube is 729. So we have to multiply 525 into 729 divided by 34. So this is the area. Definitely it will take 1 minute to solve in the exams. Yes or no, right? You have to multiply both. After that you have to divide both. So it is not easy to solve. That's the reason initially I am saying. So compound interest, some area will be easy, some area will be little bit difficult to solve. But if you are like strong on multiplication and division, you can surely go with this question. Or else better, so I'm not telling that you should not solve this in your exam. You can solve, but instead of wasting your time, better you can solve other question. At last, if you have time, come and solve this question, right? I'm sorry, I'm not solving it, but anyway, next question I can solve and show you. But I'm just for an example, I'm saying this is the way they can ask a question in your exams. But remember it, practice makes you perfect. If you practice, keep on practicing more number of questions, surely by this point itself you can understand this is the lengthy part, so at last you can solve it, right? So this comes only when you practice more. So answer for this question, actually I don't have answer for it, but I think answer will be around 3000 something. So check whether 3560, that answer is 3560.16. So check whether you are getting the answer, right? I can solve another question fully, right? Let me move on to the next question. Next question, if the rate of interest be 4% per annum for the first year, 5% per annum for the second year, 6% per annum for the third year, then the compound interest for rupees 10,000 for 3 years will be. So our target is to find what is the compound interest here. Other than that, they have given all the value. In most of the question, they will give you 1% that is common for 3 years. But here, they have given 3 years different percentage. First year 1%, second year 1, third year 1. So what you can do is write the overall formula A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power N. The same formula, after finding the overall amount, I can subtract with the principal 10,000. That will be easy, right? So A is equals to principal. So principal, what they have given is 10,000. 1 plus, for the first year, what is the rate of interest is 4%. So 4 divided by 100. What about the second year? 5 divided by 100. What about the third year? 6. So you don't want to find it separately, each and every part, you can directly write this, right? So 4 years, 5 years and 6 rate of percentage. So now try to cancel it. This will be 25 times. So this will be 20 times. So when you cancel it on 2 table, 3 times, 3 2s are 6, this will be 50. So now 10,000, 25, 26 divided by 25. So 20, 21 divided by 20. So this will be 53 divided by 50, right? So now try to cancel it. So this is the area again. We are getting this area. So now check whether we can able to cancel it or not. I can solve this question completely, right? So that you can able to understand how I am solving it. So we can cancel 0 and 0 here. So we can cancel 25. 125 is 25. So 25 4 times. So again 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So finally in the denominator we have 5. In the numerator we have 26 into 21 into 53 into 2. So divided by 5. Right, so no other way, we have to multiply, right? So we have to multiply and solve this question. Okay, we can multiply 26 into, so 26 into 42, right? 2 into 21 will be 42. So first let me multiply this. 6 2s are 12, remaining will be 1. 6 4s are 24, 28, 29, remaining will be 2, 8, 9, 10, 1092. So when you multiply these two numbers, answer will be 1092. So we have to multiply the same number with 53. So 6 9 3s are 27. So remaining will be 2 3. So 5 2s are 10. Remaining will be 1. 9 5s are 45. 46. So 4 5. So 6 7 8 7 5. So 5 7 8 7 6. So 5 7 8 7 6 is what? The numerator value. Divided by 5. So we have to divide this. So 1 5s are 5. Again 1 5s are 5. So remaining will be 2, 28. 5 5s are 25. So remaining will be 3, 37. 7 5s are 35. So remaining will be 2. Again 5 5s are 25. So 0.2. So finally we can say that the answer for this question, still we have to find what is the compound interest, but we found the total amount. So total amount is how much? 11,575.2. If you need to find the compound interest, subtract with the principal. So when you subtract 10,000 here, so the compound interest will be 1,575.2. Right? So answer for this question is 1,575.2, which is the compound interest for the question. So it's understood or not, right? So again, this is the area. If you are like fast on calculation, you will not take that much of time, but in case if the question is little bit difficult, then it might take 1 or 2 minutes extra to solve the single question. So practice, friends, practice more number of questions. I didn't solve much question here in this video, but do not forget to watch all the compound interest video. What I am repeatedly saying it, that watch all the compound interest video, and then do not forget to practice the question. I have given 20 questions on the test. Practice again and again and check where you are making a mistake, because all the 20 questions what I have given on the test package is just a medium level, exact level for the railway exam. So when you keep on practicing the question like that, you can easily crack the railway exams, right? So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I will post next topic, but do not wait for it. You can able to find all the videos on my YouTube channel itself. If you want to learn clock, search clock on my YouTube playlist, you will find it. If you want to learn calendar, clock, calendar, circle, trigonometry, algebra, and then time and work, time and distance, all the videos, even dice, how many squares, how many triangles, all the videos I have posted on my YouTube channel. So only thing you have to do is you have to search and you have to learn. That's it, right? So just go and do it. Surely you can work hard. Surely you can able to crack this railway exam. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the railway exams. So thank you so much. Bye.